Okay. Hi everybody. Well, I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging. Oh, had something spilled on me. I am actually going away for the weekend with my daughter-in-law. She's treating me. I'm excited, and I just thought I would share with you the start of my weekend. I have on this just kind of a heather gray sweater, very soft, very light, kind of just cut a little bit lower in the back and the sides up, long sleeves. I picked this up at TJMax, gosh, probably about a month ago. I have my cut from the cloth jeans that I got on the Nordstrom sale this past year, my Walmart little ankle booties, and this sweater that I picked up at JC PENNEY's on sale for like 19 bucks, and it just goes with a whole bunch of stuff, and it's the perfect sweater to wear for this weekend. So I will be reporting in, and I'm planning on having a great time. Wish me a great time, because I need the getaway. Bye.
Did you have it on?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Oh, jeez. Oh, we're leaving! Yay! Yes, we did arrive. We went through some rain, quite a bit of it. It slowed us down a little bit, but did not slow down the fun. We made a great stop at Peister's Pecans. It was a blast. I even had to get a quick picture of the inside of the bathroom. It was gorgeous. And here we are arriving at the hotel, and you know, one of the first stops, of course, has to be the bathroom. It ended up being a little bit longer trip than normal, so it ended up being great. First up, Cheesecake Factory, spicy cashew chicken, French country beet salad, and cheesecake. It was so yummy, and yes, we certainly did eat it all. Ugh, yummy.
That one bite, my tongue was dancing. It's doing the jig.
Back at the hotel on a silver phone, just having some fun. And the next day, bright skies, happy smiles, and just enjoying the ride and the color change. So pretty.
Ashley's like probably 50th, but excited to be out. It's a little bit cool out, and
the reason for the trip, the IMATS convention. It was fun, things to do. There were even speakers there, and the weather was crisp enough that I could even wear my Nouvelle scarf and pearls. The skies were beautiful. It was just perfect. And next, lunch at Chuy'S. And oh my gosh, it was spectacular. I had never been before. Delicious. Yes, I ate it all. And then a fun visit to Nordstrom's. I hadn't been in for so long.
yeah, well, I only had one bite of cheesecake yesterday, so that was good.
Now, one great last stop, leaving Atlanta, heading out, but first breakfast at the hot Little Biscuit. Oh my gosh, guys, it was fabulous. Fabulous.
Is it worth it for this meal? Yeah.
Well, guys, all good things must come to an end, and it's time to leave and go back home. I'm so grateful for these few days that I had as a getaway. It was absolutely wonderful. The sights, the beautiful color, the yummy biscuits and food, Chuy'S, Cheesecake Factory. But you know what they say? There's no place like sweet home Alabama. Thanks for watching. Until my next video.